Hey everyone, so this is going to be an unboxing of the iPhone SE. Now this phone is very similar to the iPhone 6s, the main difference being that it's a lot smaller. So the iPhone SE is going to be very similar in size to the iPhone 5s, which I have right here. Also the iPhone 5. So I'll give you guys a look at the outside of the box first. Very typical for an Apple box. Pretty minimal in design. So you see I got the 16GB version. You can also get it in 64. Alright. So just going to use some keys here. This is the first iPhone unboxing for this channel. You guys can also expect the iPhone 7 when that comes out later in the year. Alright. Alright, so right on top we got the iPhone SE. Get to that in a minute. This is the space gray color. And you can also get it in silver, rose gold, and gold. Alright. Okay, so this is the SIM card ejector. And then you just got your manuals. And then lightning cable. Wall adapter, so this is for the American version. No, in Europe you guys will have a different version of this. Alright. And then your headphones. And I believe that's everything. Yep. So pretty standard. Now for the phone itself, it's got one sheet of plastic on the front and one on the back. So you see there the iPhone SE. Now I have the iPhone 5s, also a space gray version. So yeah, very similar looking. Now if you have any iPhone 5 or 5s cases, it will work with the SE. Alright, so let's go ahead and boot this up. Now like the 6s, this does have a lot of the latest internals in it. It has a 12 megapixel Sony camera on the back, which I'm very excited to be trying out. And then it's got the A9 chipset, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 1642 mAh battery, and then the front-facing camera is just 1.2 megapixels. Now the main differences between this and the 6s, aside from the screen, it does not have the 3D touch, and then also it doesn't have the newest version of the Touch ID sensor. So it does have like the fingerprint scanner, it's just not as fast. Alright, I'm gonna do all this later. Alright guys, so I still need to put in my SIM card and everything, get this completely set up. And I'll do that in the next video. But for now, I'll also show you a comparison versus the Z5 Compact. So both of these phones are probably the best two small smartphones you can buy. I think that they have the best specs on the market. Most manufacturers besides Sony and Apple really don't focus on smaller smartphones anymore. Pretty much everything's like 5 inches and up. So of course it looks like the iPhone SE is a little smaller, but not a huge difference in size. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos with this phone over the course of the next several weeks. I'm going to be having a lot of comparisons versus Z5 Compact, the 5S, and some of the other Xperia phones. So thanks again for watching guys, and let me know in the comments what type of videos you want to see.